Welcome, in front of me is an ALCATEL U5 HD, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from a SIM card to the device. Now, starting off, you want to open up the Contacts app, which is the standalone one right over here. From the app, you want to tap on the three dots right over here and go to Import/Export. And in here, simply select that you want to copy contacts from, I'm gonna go with, for me it's Play. I believe this is just the carrier of the SIM card. So that's what I'm gonna select here. Let's tap on Next. And copy contacts to, we're gonna copy them to our phone, but you can also choose to copy them to a phone storage, which will create a file, or simply to move them to an SD card if you want to, and just kind of have a backup. From there, let's tap on Next. And simply select the contacts that you want to copy, like so, and then tap on the check mark right over here. Copy selected contacts, yep. Give it a second, and there we go. That's basically how you copy your contacts. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.